Have you ever needed to answer a call on your iPhone, but your hands were full? Whether you're driving, cooking, or just want a hands-free option, being able to answer calls without touching your screen can be super handy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, find and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Touch. Now scroll down again and find Call Audio Routing. From here, select an audio destination. If you want to hear the call on your Bluetooth earphones, select Bluetooth headset from here. But if you want the call to be on speakerphone, select speaker. After that, tap on Auto Answer Calls. Now, toggle it on. Then set the duration of time before the call is answered by tapping the plus or minus buttons. And that's it. From now on, whenever you receive a call, it will be automatically answered. So, that's how you can answer calls without touching your iPhone screen. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!